Yo, what's up, guys? Bart Bregman here from IQOptionWiki.com. And first of all, the disclaimer: this is not financial advice, but in this quick video, we want to give you a quick 2-minute guide how to set up the account and some quick little tips here and there. So, first, gonna enter my email to create a new account. All right, agree to the terms of service, and of course, read the risk warning. Because never invest money you cannot afford to lose, and CFDs are highly risky business. So be aware that you are signing up here for a risky situation. All right, so we're gonna make the account here. That's gonna bring us to IQ Option real quick, and it's gonna bring us automatically to the trade room. But because I'm on a desktop, if you're on the Android app, you can do that as well. What you want to do is you want to download the Windows app. So here my registration is successfully done. We can start trading. I'm going to change this to 5,000. Open new position, a little lower. All right, so now we have lost this position here, and that means our trading balance is now down $1,000. And if I go here to practice account, you can click on top up, and that brings you back to $10,000. All right, so that is how you top up your demo balance account. Now, next thing what we should do is we should make our verification and try to get our verification up to 100%. This is important for depositing, withdrawing, and if something goes wrong with your account, you can get it back through support because you are the verified owner of that account. That is important for all trading platforms. It's a bit annoying to upload your passport or your identity in the platform, but it's very important you do that. Because this is an example account, I'm quickly gonna open the confirmation email here, and then here confirmation code, confirmation email. So I quickly confirm this new account on this email. All right, activation process. This is all right. Activation was complete, and now you're ready to upload the verification here and then deposit your money. But now what we're going to do, because we're on desktop and we're still in the web browser, we're going to go back to our website here, and we're going to quickly download the IQ Option, quickly download the form. So get started for free. All right, and then you can click here on download in case you're on a Windows, Mac or Android. So I'm going to install this quickly. So quickly install this IQ Option platform for on your dedicated device, because that significantly speeds up the lag in the platform. And yeah, it's not a browser-based trading anymore. It's a more advanced, more faster platform. So that's why we want to install this IQ Option on our device itself. All right, so now the installation is finished. We can launch it, and now we have to log in into the desktop app itself. So let's load that in a little bit, and we're going to quickly log in there. All right, and that gives a much faster platform, much more smooth everything, and it's highly recommended to trade on the desktop app or your phone app or the OS app. And what we quickly want to do then, we're going to go to chart types here in the bottom corner. We want to switch to candlesticks, and the reason we do that, because candlesticks are much better preferred for to start the trading. All right, so now what I prefer to add to my charts are 3 indicators. That is the Bollinger Bands. Just going to add that here at stock value, and go to indicators again. I'm going to click on CCI, and which is a momentum indicator. And I'm going to also add the RSI. All right. And what that can give me is a good reference of where the market is going in the short term. So I'm going to use the 2 minutes here. And now you can see that the Bollinger Band is on the upper channel and the CCI is still moving up. And as soon as that is crossing the CCI and the RSI here moving downwards, I'm going to initiate my trade. And I see still, they're moving down now. That's the moment I'm going to initiate my trade, because that means that the trend should move downwards in the short term. All right. Nice. So our forecast is perfect here, and in this case we made money. Of course, could go the other way. Just practice this on the practice account. It's very important to practice your trading on your practice account. But this is a nice strategy to combine those three indicators. And as soon as the CCI and the RSI move back at the same point here, back into the normal level, and let's see if we can draw that with more arrows, so you guys have a better idea of what I mean here. So here the Bollinger Band was outside, and then here the CCI indicator returned into its regular channel. So above the green line means overbought. So that means that the price was too much time in an uptrend. And here the RSI is also moving downwards. And that was for me a good confirmation. Okay, in the short term, this means the price should move downwards. That is how I use that strategy. And reversely, when that happens on the other side as well, here where it returns back, and here it's going to return back as well. You can see already here it's moving very volatile. It was also out of the Bollinger Bands here. And that means that if the price moves upwards, that could be an entry trade again. Thank you for watching. If you thought this video was helpful, please like. That helps us a lot with the algorithm. And if you are interested in more trading related content, or you haven't visited our website yet, please try to do so, because we have a lot of free trading tools. We have strategies, patterns, lots of cool trading information to help you become a better trader. So iqoptionwiki.com, if you haven't seen it yet, it's pretty awesome. All right, peace out.